Hello everyone. So we need to solve one question today using Python. We have a text file and in that text file we have a couple of sentences. Now what we need to do is we need to find the word which has occurred maximum number of times in that text file. Okay, so the question is very simple. Now let's say this is our input file and we need to find the word which has occurred maximum number of times in this file. Okay, so one possible way could be that we iterate through all the lines one by one, and for every line we split it down on the basis of a space, or let's say a dot maybe, and then we get all the words, and then we keep all the words frequency in a dictionary. That let's say robot comes, we save in the dictionary with frequency 1, and if it comes again we update it, we increment it with 1, right? So similarly, once we update for all the words and for all the rows, so by this we will be able to fetch the word which has the maximum occurrence in this file. But that approach is time consuming, so we'll use collections here. So from collections import counter, right? So this would do our job easy. Now what we need to do is first of all we need to have x equals open. We first need to open the file. So x equal open input.txt. So I have opened the file. Dot read. This will read the content of the file. Lower. This will convert all the words into lowercase. And what we need to do later is, so once we have this, we need to first of all replace all the dots with a space, for example, and we can also replace all the new line characters with a space, and then we split it down with a space, right? So this is our x, and once we have this list we can use counter to give the count of every word, right? So if I expand it further, you can see x equals counter of, we open the file, we read the content, we convert them into lowercase, we replaced dots and next line characters with space, and then we split it down with a space, right? So we have this x, and later we can print x dot most common. This function gives us the word which has occurred maximum number of times. So it also accepts one argument. If we give 1, so this would give us the word which has maximum occurrence in the entire set. If I give 2, so it would give me first 2 results. If I give 3, top 3 results, like that. So now we run the program. So we get top 3 words. Now we can see here the first one is actually invalid because it gives us blank. So blank occurred 30 times, but we are looking for a word, so this is our output. So framework, which occurred 17 times. Robot word occurred 15 times. So this is what we were looking for. So one way that we could omit this thing where we are getting blanks, we can do that using regular expression. So we can import re first of all, and instead of using this approach, what we can do is re dot find all. So this will help us in finding all the words in the file. So I'll use a pattern which is word. So I need to find all the words. Where do I need to find? I need to find in the file. So this part I extract from here, and later part I remove it. So I am using regular expression pattern to find the words in the file after converting them to lowercase, and then I am evaluating the frequencies, right? So if I run this now, this way we can ignore the blank that we were getting here, the first one. So the output is framework, which occurred 17 times. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any questions, feel free to write to me in the comment section. You can ask as many questions you want. I'll be Very happy to answer your questions in the next video. Thank you.